Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling clipboard features so copying works predictably. First, press Win+V to activate clipboard history. This gives you multiple entries instead of one. If you want persistence across reboots or advanced search, install a clipboard manager. Once done, configure sync or retention. Make sure to decide whether you'll copy text, images, or files because each behaves differently. Text respects formatting, images may become files, and files use copy-paste in Explorer. You copy and organize clips efficiently by using standard shortcuts: Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+X to cut, and Ctrl+V to paste. Next, press Win+V to view history. From there, you can pin important items so they survive restarts, delete junk, or select older entries. If you installed a manager, learn its hotkeys and right-click menus. These let you merge, format, or send clips to other apps. Once you practice this flow, you'll move content between programs without losing context or formatting. To finish, choose the correct paste mode. Use Paste Special or Ctrl+Shift+V where available to insert unformatted text, ensuring clean styling. Make sure to clear history or unpin sensitive clips when done to protect privacy and reclaim memory. If copying or pasting stops working, first restart the target app. If that fails, restart the Windows Clipboard service or sign out and back in. If you still see issues, check for conflicting clipboard utilities and disable extras so the system clipboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.